South India is on fire, and the spark. Just one sentence from one man, Kamal Hassan. He said, and I quote, Kannada was born from Tamil. 8 words, and they have shaken the very roots of language, identity, and pride across two great cultures. Was it a bold truth from a proud Tamil son, or a misguided statement that disrespected an ancient language like Kannada? Today on Trendline Times, we don't just read the noise, we dig into history, decode the facts, and confront the controversy head on. I'm Uma, and in this episode of Trendline Times, we are going deep into the linguistic war that Kamal Hassan just reignited. Is Tamil really the mother? Is Kannada truly a child? Or is the truth far more complex than what meets the ear? Stay with me. What you're about to hear on Trendline Times may challenge everything you thought you knew about South India's soul. Kamal Hassan's statement, Kannada was born from Tamil, triggered a storm. In Karnataka, political leaders responded sharply, calling the remark disrespectful and divisive. Social media erupted, and hashtags like Kannada not from Tamil gained traction within hours. Leading actors, scholars responded sternly. Kamal is a celebrated actor, not a historical linguist. Such claims without scholarly backing only inflame sentiments. Pro-Kannada organizations demanded a public apology, accusing Kamal of promoting linguistic supremacy. Many questioned why reopen old wounds in the name of the culture. Let's see what do the experts say. According to leading linguists, both Tamil and Kannada are branches of the Dravidian language family, sharing roots but developing on parallel tracks. While Tamil predates Kannada in written form, Kannada developed independently with its own grammar, script, literature, and phonetics. To say Kannada is born from Tamil is similar to saying Hindi is born from Sanskrit. There is influence, yes, but not direct descent. The distinction between inspiration and origin is vital. What was Kamal's intent? Cultural pride or political signal? Kamal Hassan is not just an actor, he is a political thinker who has long championed Tamil pride, Dravidian identity, and Tamil Indian unity. Was this statement an emotional assertion of Tamil antiquity or a deliberate message aimed at reviving cultural consciousness and unifying the South against Northern political dominance? Whatever the motive, it is clear in a region where language is identity, every word carries weight, especially when spoken by icons. Kannada and Tamil are not enemies, they are siblings in the Dravidian family, both ancient, both glorious, both essential to India's cultural soul. Rather than debating who came first, we must celebrate the diversity, richness, and resilience of both. Unity in diversity is not just a slogan, it is our strength. This is Uma, and you are watching Trendline Times, where we bring the past to the present with truth, courage, and clarity. If this conversation sparked your thoughts, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. More truths are on their way.